YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see question 4 of exercise 3.2. Which are the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution by graphically method. So first we have to consider that is the given equation consistent or inconsistent, and for that we have to use the ratio of coefficient. So first we convert equation in standard form. So first equation become x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. That is the first equation. And second equation become 2x plus 2y minus 10 is equal to 0. That is the second equation. Now we have to find the ratio. So first ratio a1 upon a2 is equal to, from here a1 1 and a2 2. So it become 1 upon 2. Then after second ratio b1 upon b2. From here b1 1 and b2 2. So it is also 1 upon 2. Now third ratio c1 upon c2. From here c1 minus 5 and c2 minus 10. So minus 5 upon minus 10. From here minus minus will be cancelled and 5 2s are 10. So it is also 1 upon 2. So here we observe that all the ratios are equal. So here a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So the given pair of linear equations are consistent. Hence the given pair of linear equation is consistent and dependent. So here both equations are consistent. Then after we have to solve it with graphically method. So to solve the graphically method we have to find solution. So we take first equation x plus y is equal to 5. Now in the y form it becomes y is equal to 5 minus x. Now taking different value of x we get the value of y. So we have to make a solution table. X and y. If we take x equal to 0, here if we take x equal to 0, then y is equal to 5. If we take x equal to 5, so here 5 and x equal to 5, so 5 minus 5 y become 0. So that is the first solution table of first equation. Now second equation, 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now convert into y form. So it becomes y is equal to 10 minus 2x upon 2. Now solution table. If we take x equal to 0 here, so 2 into 0, so it becomes 0, and here 10 upon 2, so it becomes 5. So if we take x equal to 0, y become 5, 0, 5. If we take x equal to 1, x equal to 1, so here 2 ones are 2, and 10 minus 2 become 8, and 8 upon 2, so it become 4. So that is the second solution table. Now we plot this point on a graph paper. Here both the given equations are consistent and dependent. So we get the graph this type. Means both the lines are coincident to each other. Coincident का मतलब है कि दोनों लाइन एक ही जगह पे एक दूसरे पे आएगी इस तरह से. x plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 0. Both line on a same place, coincident to each other. Now let's see the second number. So second number, first equation x minus y is equal to 8 and second equation 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. So first we convert into standard form. So x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. That is the first equation. And second equation become 3x minus 3y minus 16 is equal to 0. Second equation. Now we have to find ratio. So first ratio A1 upon A2 is equal to, from here A1 1 and A2 3. So 1 upon 3. Now second ratio B1 upon B2. From here B1 minus 1 and B2 minus 3. So minus 1 upon minus 3. Minus minus will be cancelled. So it becomes 1 upon 3. Now third ratio C1 upon C2. From here C1 minus 8 and C2 minus 16. So minus 8 upon minus 16. Minus minus will be cancelled and 8 2s are 16. So it becomes 1 upon 2. So here we observe that first two ratios are equal and third ratio are different. So here A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 and not equal to C1 upon C2. So in this condition the given equations are inconsistent. Hence the given pair of linear equation is inconsistent. Okay, so here the equations are inconsistent, so here no need to find the graphically solution. Now let's see the third number of question 4. So first equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 and second equation 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here both equations given in a standard form. So first directly we find ratio. So first ratio A1 upon A2 is equal to, from here 2 and from here A2 4. So 2 upon 4. Now factor 2 2s are 4. So 2 will cancel. So answer 1 upon 2. Now second ratio B1 upon B2. From here B1 1 and from here B2 minus 2. So 1 upon minus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Now third ratio C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 6 upon minus 4. Minus minus will be cancelled. 2 2s are 4 and 3 2s are 6. So answer 3 upon 2. Here we observe that all the ratios are different answer. 1 upon 2, minus 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 2. So we can say A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. Hence, the given pair of linear equation is consistent. So here we get both equations consistent. Now we require to find the graphically representation. So we take first equation 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now convert into y form, so it becomes y is equal to 6 minus 2x upon so ये बन जाएगा y form, y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Now take a different value of x and find the value of y. If we take x equal to 0, x इक्वल टू 0, देन 2 मल्टीप्लाई 0, ये टर्म 0 हो जाएगा, तो यहाँ वैल्यू हो जाएगी 6. If we take x equal to 0, then y is equal to 6. अगर हम x की वैल्यू 3 लेंगे, यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू 3 लेंगे, तो 3 2 6 हो जाएगा, और 6 minus 6 0 हो जाएगा. If we take x equal to 3, then y is equal to 0. So that is the first solution table. Now second equation, 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we convert into y form. Here minus 2y, it is negative term, so we take this into right side. So 4x minus 4 is equal to 2y. So 2y become positive. Now 4x minus 4, 2 goes on a division, so upon 2 is equal to y. So this is the y form. Here we take a different value of x, and corresponding that we get the value of y. Okay, here if we take x equal to 0, if we take x equal to 0, यहाँ पे हम x की वैल्यू 0 लेंगे, तो 4 मल्टीप्लाई 0, ये 0 हो जाएगा, और यहाँ पे -4 है और अपॉन में 2 है, तो इसकी वैल्यू हो जाएगी -2. If we take x equal to 1, so it become 4 1s are 4, and 4 minus 4 0, and 0 upon 2 ये हो जाएगा 0. So x equal to 1, then y is equal to 0. Now let's see the graph, how to draw graph on a graph paper. Here the first equation is 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0, and for that first solution we have 0 6, वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, and second solution 3 0, वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. इसमें से पास होने वाली लाइन 2x plus y minus 6 is equal to 0 हो जाएगी. Now second equation we have 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. For this equation we have first solution 0 minus 2, वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, और सेकंड सॉल्यूशन हो जाएगा 1 0, और इसमें से पास होने वाली लाइन 4x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0 इक्वेशन हो जाएगी. And these two equations are intersect each other at this point, that is point 2 2. That is the solution of both equation 2 and 2. So this is the graph of question 4, third number. Now let's see the fourth number of question 4. 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. That is the first equation. 4x minus 4y minus 5 is equal to 0. That is the second equation. So here we have to find ratio. So first ratio a1 upon a2. From here a1 2 and a2 4. So 2 upon 4, and 2 2s are 4. So it become 1 upon 2. Now second ratio, from here b1 minus 2 and b2 minus 4. So b1 upon b2 is equal to minus 2 upon minus 4. Minus minus will be cancelled, and 2 2s are 4. So it become 1 upon 2. Now third ratio, c1 upon c2. From here c1 minus 2 and c2 minus 5. Minus 2 upon minus 5. Minus minus will be cancelled. So final answer 2 upon 5. So here we observe that first ratio 1 upon 2, second ratio 1 upon 2, and third ratio 2 upon 5. So first two ratios are equal and third are different. So here we can write a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2, not equal to c1 upon c2. So in this condition, the given pair of linear equation is inconsistent.